Welcome back to Quiz Zone. Are you ready for another emoji? Quiz, did you say yes? So let's guess drinks by emojis. Oh, before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel. All right, let's play quiz. Strawberry milkshake. Monster Energy. Black tea. Beer. Seven Up. Lipton. Dr. Pepper. Do you know this one? Sprite. Hot chocolate. Which drink is this? Red Bull. Another chocolate drink, but what is it? Chocolate milkshake. Do you know this one? Pepsi. Guess the drink? Sunkist. Almond milk. Snapple. Tropicana. Oat milk. I think I know this one, but do you? Orange juice. Melon Candy Crush. This drink is too easy to guess. Green tea. Orange beer. If you are enjoying this video, let us know with thumbs up.